Welcome back. Now, another option that you have in terms of getting people involved in a project while at the same time limiting their access is to give someone access without Basecamp at all. So for example, if we go into a project and we create a new message and we start a discussion, what we're going to do is we're going to come into the screen and we're going to click, let me choose who should get the email. Now, we always have access to our team. We have access to the group within a team, but what we're going to do in this case is we're going to click loop in someone who isn't on the project. And what we're going to do is we're going to put another email address in here of someone that we want to give access to this discussion, but not anything else in the project. And then we're going to post the message into the project. Now, this individual is going to get an email from the Basecamp system. We're going to click inside of here. And what you're going to notice is that there is a message. There is a subject to the message, and then there are some instructions. So you'll see here that there is a message to the individual. So the individual can then reply to the message by email, even though they will not have clickable access to anything in the actual project. And then inside of our project, you'll notice that there is a reply, and that is a reply from the individual that is not part of our team and not part of our Basecamp, but yet able to reply to a specific discussion. You can also open up existing items to the individual that is not part of our Basecamp. So for example, we can then open up this item and we can then click edit. And what we can do is we can make a comment on this particular item so that we can draw the other individuals in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click this change. Then what we're going to do again is we're going to click loop in someone. And then we're going to type in the name of the individual that we want to get our message. And then we're going to click add comment. Now what we've done is we've looped in the individual that we want to have access to this discussion, but not the rest of the project. Now the individual received a message from Basecamp on that particular discussion. They also received the two attachments of the two documents that are part of the discussion. So again, you can have someone part of your discussion that is not part of the Basecamp team, that's also not someone that you're going to be working with, that through your invitation by email, they'll become part of the system. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.